Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you why you need to get this product to make your old Xbox controller feel like brand new, and you don't need to go out and spend $40 or $50 on a new one. So here's an example controller. I held this for over like 3 years. It still performs fine, except you could notice the D-pad controllers here. It's very worn out. This one less so, and it's a little dusty. I also decided to put a skin on it. Obviously wasn't the best idea, and it's not perfectly laid out. The skin is another video. It just came with the NBA game I purchased. I'll put a link in the description. And this is a controller that I got several months ago. The brand new Xbox One controller. I will also put a link in the description. It also includes more things that the other one doesn't, like Bluetooth to phones and some other software fixes. This one is starting to wear down, but not nearly as much as the previous one. It's also not perfectly white, but that's a separate story. And here is what I purchased. So I got these two from Aliexpress. I'll put a link in the description. You could also get it from Walmart. They're called grips for PlayStation or Xbox controllers. There's some that even work for the Nintendo Switch. I think this is a great solution for those video game rental companies, or if you go to, let's say, a party and they give you controllers, but they're obviously used like thousands of times. So you just stick this on to protect in the first place. And also, instead of having to replace the whole controller just because the D-pad got worn out, and I believe it's rubber. So I'm applying it. It's almost a perfect fit. Just push it on. It doesn't come off so easily. It feels more grippy, so it's good for those professional gamers that don't want to dig out on the Xbox One Pro controller, which is like $150 now. And it just brings new life to the controller. Works perfectly fine. I got these for 40 cents. But there are many other listings, even for the Nintendo Switch. I recommend this to anyone who has an Xbox One or any console in general, because this definitely is under $1 and it makes your life so much easier. The only issue is that waiting for it to ship. I'll show you how to take it off. And it's a grip like this, so you just need to apply it over and down. I was thinking of even gluing it on, but I'd rather not because it sticks fine. And you just need to replace it once every while. Right now I've had these for a month or two and I've had good responses, and I don't need to waste money on a new Xbox One controller. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.